Unboxing alert. Right, this is the stuff that I ordered from that 3D printer. Making stuff the right size for me. Now look, I think he might have sent me an extra couple of these, I'm not sure. But these are the plastic thingies that clip onto my Ikea pegboards that are just the right size for holding the mica powder pots. So those are great. So I ordered some of those. And this is the exciting bit, because we know those ones work. We had them before. Got loads already. Just needed a couple more. Now this is, sorry about the noise. Should have done this first, but I wanted you to be first to see it. These are these little sloping bottle rack things. What's that? That's another one of those. Is that another one of those? What the heck? Oh, there's all sorts of funny things in here. Right, that's the what? I think he sent me some extra. This is the sloping bottle racks. So let's see if they fit. Let me grab something. Hang on. Here we go. A little resin bottle. Oh, that's perfect. Right, I'm going to get these up on the board and work out what the rest of this is, and then I will show you. And I've got the link now as well, so if anybody wants these, I'm not on commission or anything, I just wanted us to have these. So I had, you know, I liaised with the guy who's designed them. They're not expensive either. I'll put you the link, he's done a wonderful job. So yeah, take a look down below if you like the look of these, and you will see the advert for them on eBay. And I just, you know, got to share this with you. Right, I'll show you how they assemble first, in case you missed the first video. They come with these little clips. And these go on the back. Oh, these have only got the two, right? Okay. Did the previous ones have two? You might have done. Two's easier actually. So I found it easiest to fit these onto the little thing, and they fit really tight. They're going nowhere. So that goes up into there. See how tight it is? There's no mess in there. That is not going to come out. And then they push down at the bottom and you just clip them up, and yeah, there we are. They're seated. Right, I'll show you in a minute this on the board. There you go. So it slopes, and this is the effect you get. This is the previous ones that I've had for a while. Okay, people, look at that. That look lovely. And then we've got the bigger ones over there. I'm still going. I've got more of the... I've got another one to go up in this corner. It's a quick update for you there. I hope that was helpful. Links down below for all of the... Scary big hand. Links down below for all of the stuff. Okay, see you soon.